and welcome to Sunbeam Australia's training video today. My name is Jessica and welcome to my kitchen and my home through lockdown in Sydney. I wanted to share with you today the brand new espresso machine from Sunbeam. This is the Café Series Duo. This product is all about that commercially inspired design and performance. And what we have here is a product which produces cafe quality coffee at home. It has dual Thermoblock, so it is twice as fast. You can extract and you can steam your milk at the same time. Let's get into it. So let's talk about what makes this coffee machine different from what is in the market and also what is in the Sunbeam range today. So the EM7000 and EM7100 you may have heard of. These are Café Series espresso machines which have been in the range for a long time. What we've done is we've kept the inbuilt expertise of those machines and we have given it a brand new facelift here. What we've done here is we've really updated it into the modern world, so brought it into a new era for the new generation of coffee consumers. You can see here we've got a new front panel, and what we have here is the milk temperature gauge. So this links here with the temperature sensing steam wand for really great cafe milk made easy. We also have the espresso pressure gauge here, so that one really gives the feedback to the consumer on how well they've just pulled that extraction. What we've got as well is the guides in green, so that you really know when you're hitting that optimum. So there's three things that I want to talk to you about. That is cafe quality, cafe speed, and cafe milk. And these are the really three key selling points for this machine. So let's start with number one, which is cafe quality. So why is it cafe quality? The first thing I want to talk about is the 58mm group head. And what you have is 58mm diameter here across the portafilter. So this means that you can put more coffee inside and you have a larger surface area to extract from, which provides better tasting coffee and a better output. This is what commercial cafes will use, and this is how Sunbeam achieves great tasting coffee. This machine is one of the only ones at this price point which features the 58mm group head, and you will notice that it is across the whole of the Sunbeam range, from the Mini Barista, Barista Max, Barista Plus, and the Café Series Duo machine. Next is cafe speed. So what this machine has is dual Thermoblock technology. It means there's two Thermoblocks within the machine. You can see that here, dual Thermoblock technology, and that means that you can extract and you can steam at the same time. That dual Thermoblock technology means for the consumer that it will allow them to be twice as fast, so there is no delay. You can do simultaneous milk and extraction, or sequential and immediately if they don't like to multitask. So what you have here is one Thermoblock which will extract at the optimal 92 degrees, which is perfect for the coffee. Then you have a dry, powerful steam, which is at a higher temperature to produce that real cafe quality milk. So point number three to talk to is the cafe milk. So consumers often find the milk texturing is the hardest part of the coffee making process to grasp. And what we have built into this machine is a temperature sensing steam wand to make milk easy and cafe quality for the consumer at home. What we have here is that temperature sensing steam wand, which has a temperature sensor at the bottom of the wand. That corresponds to the milk temperature gauge on the left hand side here. There is an optimum zone so that the consumer knows when that perfect milk texture temperature has been achieved. So this is perfect for texturing your milk, producing really great microfoam bubbles and getting that glossy paint-like look to your milk. This machine does have pre-infusion, which means that a small amount of water is released onto the tamped coffee just before extraction, and this does allow for a rich, balanced taste and flavour for coffee. Also, what this product does have is programmable buttons so that the temperature can be changed in 2-degree increments for water, for the espresso and extraction, and also 5-degree increments for the steam. What is in the box for a consumer that purchases this item? So they will receive a tamp, which is a premium tamp with a little bit of weight, which helps with the tamping process. But what also comes in the box is a milk jug, which has a larger capacity so that more than 1 cup of coffee milk can be created at a time. We also have included is 4 filter baskets, 2 single shot baskets and 2 double shot baskets. Why do we include 2? It's because one is single walled, as you can see here. It has multiple holes in the bottom, and the other one is a dual wall, which creates extra pressure in the basket. The reason we're including both is to allow the flexibility for the consumer to either use really freshly ground coffee if they have a grinder just like this one here, or if they are buying store-bought pre-ground coffee, they may want that extra crema of which can be created with the double wall filter basket. This product is so easy and convenient for the consumer. What you can see here is that there is a fill tank alert on this control panel. So when the water tank is low, you can lift here and easily fill the tank from the top here. Alternatively, you can pull the tank out from the back of the machine as well. And what you will notice when you do that is that there is an anti-calc water filter there. So that just removes impurities from tap water, and it will produce the smoothest tasting, most delicious coffee. And here you have it. So good. Thanks.